Good afternoon, good afternoon, good afternoon. Trucker Dude _ double XL. How y'all doing today? I'm doing fine. Getting ready to head home after a long week on the road. Today's video, I asked my best friend, man, Tay, and my little cousin DJ to go get my truck out the shop for me. So they went to go handle that for me, and the truck should be home when I get there. So basically I'm just gonna give y'all another walk around for everything that I got did. All the new features, well, not really features, but extra add-ons and stuff like that. And then on top of that right there, I'm gonna probably change the oil, because I do need an oil change. So I'm probably gonna change the oil, and hopefully I can get that squared away and everything. And then I can give y'all a night shot, with my rock lights on, so you guys can see that right there. And like always, thanks for watching. Alright, you guys, it's been a while since I changed the oil. My daddy laughing at me, so hey, Dad.
What's up, y'all?
He laughing at me because he had just told me the oil was gonna splash my face. And if I would have had the camera running, y'all would have had a funny moment changing the oil.
I should have had the camera on you while you were doing it. Let everybody see what not to do instead of what to do.
Yeah, cause I really just did something I ain't had no been doing. It was all in my face, all in my beard. My glass was still kind of oily, but we're gonna make do what it do. Yeah, we're finna change the oil and the filter. It needed full service, but I'm doing it for right now. And I'm just glad I got Paul helping me with me, cause if I did, I'd be lost out here. Cause
I'm gonna slip down right now, son.
yeah.
Word for Wilson. Go for it.
Yeah, I went for it and made a little bit of a mess, but we still oil went too hot. But it got me. Yeah.
Well, you've been doing it as long as I have. It wouldn't even matter about how hot it be.
Nah, man, it ain't burn me there, it did enough to wake me up though.
But just think, 30 years plus, that's a long time to be doing that kind of stuff. I think got old bone won't take it no more, but guess what? I love working on motors.
See, he the mechanic, I'm just a truck driver. Cause I could do something, but it ain't gonna be that right now.
Nah, he always gonna need a hand in the pot. Yeah, I got him. I ain't gonna let it mess up too bad, cause I don't want y'all to just be tripping on his video.
Yeah.
He got a little common sense about it.
Alright then.
Yeah.
Alright. So like I told y'all, I did my dad. I gotta catch up with him one day to do an interview of that right there in that corner. Cause he don't have that for a long time. So I'm gonna catch up with him one day. We're gonna do a rolling interview on. Cause he love that car right there.
27 years old. I love that baby.
That's what I'm talking about right there. Antique, real antique right there. Y'all don't know nothing about that. I'm gonna get y'all the video one day though. All right, you guys, I'm up under the truck. Giving you guys a quick look. Still got the oil drain. As you see, 4 link is on. Needs to be powder coated. And still having like kind of like a rub on the right side. So my dad says that the sway bar, something going on with the sway bar here, cause see it shine on this side, but then you go to the other side, it's dull. So I'm gonna take it to the shop to see if maybe that's another sway bar for a lifted truck or anything. You guys that have lifted trucks, chime in on it if you think something, if you know something about it. Basically, I got a new tie rod ends, and a new alignment. So, I mean, it rides a lot better, especially with the alignment and the shocks on it, but still kind of rough. It's not like a buck and bronco rough, but it's still kind of rough though. Okay, so this is the original sway bar. These are the original sway bar bushings. So, I'll see what's going on with that. With new tie rod ends, 4 link shots. Yeah. Now I need something to dig that up, cause the P broken off. Take the wiper out and squeeze it. Break it up. It don't squeeze hard enough when you tell you your boot. Hold on. Yeah, more collar. Sure. Sure. Why you say it like that? Squeeze back the other way. Now you take a screwdriver and stick it in there and take it out. You're in love with her. Hold on, son. Listen to what I'm telling you. Now you take a screwdriver and dig it out. Huh? I got a screwdriver. My leg gets tired too now. Who truck this is though? It's still open under my ass. Shit. Yeah. That's quick right too, though. So can you do it with that? I didn't kill her. And it fell out. Well, take white blood and squeeze some more. Go on down. Turn sideways. Yeah. Oh, I think I broke something. Huh? I think that's it, guys. I think that it's hard plastic. That's what you're doing. You're breaking it up. It ain't in there right now, though. Ain't that? Well, stick it on there and see how far it's gonna go. He's not odd. He's his own person. That's it. There we go. We did that. How far? Man, get your head down before you fall. You can't pick you up there. What the fuck is it? You right there on top of it. Just take your foot down, right there. How you gonna get up there on top of it? You can't see how to get down. Boy, you a man. I ain't got my bike up camera. Cut the heck off son with that right there now. I ain't got my bike up camera. And just like that, it's all done. How's your time? Sound good? Alright. Yeah, you're right. Hey, like always, thanks for watching. Peace out, YouTube. Oh yeah, one more thing, you guys. I had to show you my rock lights. Hopefully I can get a view of them going down the road for you. But like I said, I put 2 in each wheel well. And those are LED lights that came with the LED lights that came with the amp research.